Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. And guess what? For today's video, I have something really interesting. It's a really cool hack. Any guesses? So guys, this hack is an mascara hack. I saw it on Instagram or some social media, and it was really interesting. I thought we should try it. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it with you guys. So let's start. So for this hack, you will need some loose powder. The powder that I'll be using is from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Loose powder, and some mascara. So this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and some loose powder, as I told you. First, what we'll do is we'll remove some loose powder. Oops, I think that's a lot. Now what you do is take your mascara, remove the excess, dip it into this loose powder. I don't know if you're supposed to remove the excess off, but I think I should. बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा इधर. Okay, very हल्के हाथों से just tap it, and now take your mascara wand. Your mascara bottle. Put it inside. 1, 2, 3. Okay, a little more, I think. Now I'm gonna apply this and see. Oh, okay, that's nice. एक ही कोट में. I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, it works for me. It's looking like I'm wearing fake lashes, right? Okay, let me try this eye as well. So guys, this is the end result, and I think it's really cool. I kind of like it. I think it's a really cool hack. What do you guys think? So guys, I really enjoyed doing this hack. I think you all should try it and let me know in the comment section below. And any other hack that you all want me to try, do let me know, and I will see you later guys. Thanks so much for watching.